In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight and the interior dimmer switch on this GMC pickup. Yeah, this is Donnie. If you're having problems with your headlights on your truck and it's a switch, or if your interior trim, you know how you can dim it and turn it up and the gauges and all that. Well, this is my son's truck, Jordan, and his dimmer switch isn't working, so I went online and I found this switch here. As you can see if you can see that, but it's got your headlights, and right here is what he's having problems with, is dimming the headlights from inside the pickup. The good news is it's very simple and it's not that expensive to do this. So the first thing you want to do is you need to remove this trim, and it's just clipped in, so if you just pull on it lightly, you know, kind of gently, it should just pop out of there like so. You may not have to take it all the way off. That might work right there, and I can show you on this one. Goes right like this, so you can see there's a holds right there and right there. So that'll be some prying points. I'm going to reach in about right here, try to pry that down and pull it out. So let's pull that out, and then just push in on this clip right here, and that one's out. Just making sure the pins look the same, and they are. So now we're going to plug this one in, just like that, and all we have to do is fit it back in there and push it back till it clips back in. Just like that. And then to put this back on, just make sure that these clips right here line back up with all the holes. And when you get it lined up, just kind of hit it a little bit, and that knocks it all back in, clips it. Make sure there's no loose spots. Just kind of go around and make sure it's on good, and it is. So that's all there is to replacing that. And that, my friends, is how you replace the headlight switch or the dimmer switch, your interior dimmer switch, on this GMC Sierra pickup. If you like this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.